Hey everybody, back again a little bit sooner than I thought. And if you didn't hear about the gas pipeline hack, well, I'm down here in Florida trying to find gas right now, man. Like, I've been gone and just came back and went to work. My wife took the SUV and I knew we needed gas, and it's on E. I'm not here. Dude, it's like 9 o'clock trying to find some gas. I went through probably, let's see, 1, 2, 3, like 5 gas stations. And there's one pump that's still working on one gas station at a place that I know where the guy owns it. So hopefully there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars in front of me now. Hopefully I get enough, because if everybody's getting 30 gallons, man, the shit might run out. I don't know, So let's see what happens. Yeah, not a fun place to be at. I'm kind of right above V, I think. You look at it like there, I don't know, if you look at it like this, something. I think I got enough to make it to the line. Hey everyone, back the next day. I don't know exactly where I left off on the last video, but I was waiting at a gas station Monday night, man, till like 10 o'clock in line trying to get gas, thinking that, okay, this one pump at least, hopefully it'll give me some gas. But long story short, the freaking gas station closed. I think they're getting close to cutting the pump off. I don't know. But the guy in front of me went to the pump. He could not get no gas out of it. So I was like, oh man, let me go ahead and try. And I was able to get race fuel, which is like $10 a gallon. And it only gave me like 2 gallons. So I was like, oh, the heck with it. You know what I mean? After waiting in line, I wasn't trying to spend like $100 in freaking fuel. You know what I mean? But so right now I'm just driving my work van to take my son to school and to do what work I can do within the city, because we do go out of town, and I can't send our technicians out of town unless we know we got gas. You know what I mean? So about 90%, I would say 85-90% of the gas stations here in Tallahassee do not have gas right now. They're bags over the pumps. They're drained dry, you know what I mean? There are a few gas stations left that are pumping, but there are lines. So right now I don't want to even wait in any more lines. I was able to get gas in my work van this morning. It wasn't too much of a line, so I'm just gonna kind of wait it out. I still got a half a tank in this after filling up this morning and doing the work that I needed to do, looking at jobs and stuff like that. But right now I'm not using my SUV at all. I am not driving that SUV at all because it has no gas in it, and it's literally on E, man. Like, it's got nothing on it. It may have 2 gallons in it, you know what I mean? I put enough in it to make it home, and I'm not taking it to any shops right now till there's some stability in this gas shortage, from this cyber attack that's going on. So that's kind of where we're at, man. I may get some brake pads, because I do need brake pads for the rear. I may go ahead and do that. But my son's birthday is coming up this Friday and Saturday. We actually have the party, so I'll be doing that. So this whole weekend I will not be working on the car or doing anything. So yeah, it's kind of where we're at, man. Interesting stuff. Another crisis has hit us, and hopefully things come back to normal shortly, you know what I mean? And keep you updated what's going on. No, it's not really much I can do. I'm not spending any money extra right now. That's what I'm doing. I mean, I'm just gonna live my life, but I am not spending any extra money at all, man. I'm trying not to, you know what I mean? I'm still have fun, obviously, kids, birthday parties, try to go out when we can, enjoy life, you know what I mean, where we can, and just go from there. But I'm being very, very cautious, because prices are jumping up so high on everything, material, just for our jobs and stuff like that. And I'm trying to, another note, I'm gonna have to increase my prices to even make it in business, you know what I mean? I mean, that's just what it is, because if gas goes up, it's going to cost me more to get where I need to go, so I have to charge more. So it's just literally how business is ran. I can't keep charges the same price for service, you know what I mean, for me to actually have to do work and go there. So yeah, very interesting times that we live in, but it is what it is. And I just want to kind of give you an update what happened, and hopefully you know, the tankers start, you know, continuously looking at gas stations, make sure seeing they're open or closed, but more bags. All right, well, I'll catch y'all on the next one.